The Neu Terra LED light easily installs into your existing return hole. We recommend lowering the water level below your current return jet prior to installation. You will need to disassemble your return fitting to assemble your Neu Terra light. The light will come pre-assembled out of the box. First, connect the 5-pin quick connect to the power cord by turning it clockwise until it is snug. Plug the light into a power source to make sure the light turns on. You can now disconnect the power cord and place it to the side until your light is fully assembled. On the back of the light, you will see a white nut. Turn it counterclockwise and remove. You will now see a large black O-ring seal with a slit. Remove it and place it to the side. Next, turn the lens retainer ring counterclockwise and remove it. You can now pull the lens and cable with the 5-pin quick disconnect through the water flow housing. It may feel a little snug, but continue pulling and it will come loose. Now turn the interface plate counterclockwise to remove it from the water flow housing. This is what your disassembled light should look like. You are now ready to install your Neu Terra light. Place the 2 rubber seals between the liner and the wall. Thread the interface plate through the wall and into the water flow housing. Make sure you tighten to get a strong, even seal on both sides of the pool. Now push the 5-pin quick disconnect cable through the water flow housing, making sure the lens and interface housing are nice and snug. Turn the lens so the water flow slits are facing away from the skimmer. This will create a vortex of water flow. You can now hand tighten the lens retaining ring. Replace the black O-ring seal on the cable and tighten the nut to the water flow housing. Lastly, hand tighten the 5-pin quick disconnect to the back of the light body. You can now refill your pool water and enjoy your Neu Terra light. To change colors, make sure to download the app using the QR code in your instruction manual. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.